Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'll be taking you through Greeble in 3ds Max. We'll be creating a city model, and what you can do with this model is kind of do mass modeling for your projects and also run some sun or shadow analysis. So what we want to do is start off with in the create panel and going to splines, of course, and creating a rectangle. We're just going to make the top view port larger. So start off with the kind of base. We want to create some lines, and these lines are going to be references for roads. So we do that one. And so after this, we want to spline offset these roads to make it thicker. So what we're going to do is select these. Um, go to the Modify tab and type in spline, or we can just find it. Spline offset. Cool. And down here you can actually change the width of these roads that you want. We'll probably leave them just at 10 meters for now. And we're going to make these open round, and we want to delete the original spline inside. So what we're going to do now is essentially create the roads onto the plane rectangle. So we wanted to go to compound shapes, select on the rectangle, and go shop boolean, add operands, subtract, and we want to click on these roads to delete them to create those individual uh, kind of squares. Now, from here in the layers bar, what we're going to do is actually duplicate the rectangle. So we're going to clone it, copy, and we'll call this one buildings. And we'll probably rename this one. Oop, didn't mean to delete that. Rename this one curbs. So cool. So from here, just going to press G to get rid of the grid. I'm going to go into the Modifiers tab. Oop. Yep, I'm going to the Modifiers tab, and we're going to select all these lines. We're going to go to chamfer to kind of and increase the size to give them more of a kind of a round edge. For these buildings. And now what we want to do is go to, I think it's Quantify Mesh. To kind of give it that surface, and then now we can apply Greeble. And as we can see, we have city model. Now if you wanted to kind of change the size of these, we can go into the parameters panel, and then you can have a minimum height. There's also the max height to make these buildings taller. You can kind of have a taper to make them a bit more kind of inverted. You can also generate the kind of the widgets on top. So if you want to kind of get technical, make them bigger. And with these kind of mass modelings, if you wanted to apply these to your projects to kind of have that context, this is a great way of doing it. Just quick and easy. Thank you.